Yo, good day, good day. It's a bright, nice Saturday morning today. And let me just show you how I'm enjoying my beautiful morning. Well, I'm chilling in my garden, my little deck garden, you know what I mean? I got my little palms out there, or fronds, or what you call it. Um, everything just set right. Everything just set right. I got PD. I got Paul right there. Yeah, PD and Pearl. So yeah, this is my backyard where I'll be chilling. Yeah, and not mind me slipper. That match good with the garden. You see? Yeah, so anyway, just wash out my garbage them. Cat food pan. Go. That is fish and steak. Yeah, so this coming up good. This coming up good. Everything just right. So there we go. Back in we chill spot. And we are drinking some nice red wine this morning. This is what we dip on. Take up foot and chill. That feels so nice. So relaxing. A lot of people die for this. Wow. Check out everything. I'm gonna light up my fire them tonight. Yeah. Happy Saturday, everybody. Cheers.